Hi, thanks for joining me on another episode of Installer's Corner. I'm Brian Scarborough, the Product Development Manager at Organized Living. At Organized Living, we continue to find ways to make installation easier and have made some changes that we think you're going to love. Let me take a minute and show you the ones that we're very excited about. First and foremost is the Freedom Rail rail. The rail now features diamond holes every inch to ensure you install directly into the studs with minimal cutting. The diamond shape allows you to put an anchor and screw in the wall after the rail is mounted and prevents the anchor from spinning. In addition, you will now receive our new stud screw to mount the rail. The hardened steel and piercing point allow this screw to work great in wood and metal studs without pre-drilling. We have gotten rid of cover stickers. Every rail now includes a rail cover that slides on to cover the holes and screws without impacting the adjustability of the uprights. We are also subtly refining the look and ease of installation of Freedom Rail by removing unused holes in wood shelf brackets, simplifying product labels and packaging, a more refined rod stop, and new wood shelf and close rod lengths to minimize cutting. These new improvements will save you time, money, and hassle. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact your dealer support specialist. And thank you again for joining me on another episode of Installer's Corner.